Hey, I'm Johnny with Upfit Supply, and today we are checking out these cargo van folding shelves made by Holman. They're installed in our Ford Transit 148-inch wheelbase with a mid-roof. Now, this is the 48-inch wide folding shelf system. Has these gas struts on either side. Makes it super simple to open or close up if it's not needed to give you more cargo space in your cargo area. Comes with a top and a bottom. And up top, they also have a shelving mat to help keep the noise level down if you have stuff up on top of it, and also keep your cargo from sliding around. The folding shelf system comes with all the hardware you need to install on your cargo van and keeps things nice and versatile and keeps you ready to adjust to your needs and keeps you ready to be efficient in the field. Now, this cargo van folding shelf system by Holman is fantastic. It's super light. It has an aluminum frame and a composite bottom. And despite the lighter weight materials, each shelf boasts a 150-pound capacity. So it's still able to handle a lot of weight inside these shelving systems. Again, comes with all the hardware needed to install. Super simple to put together and put up and pull down when needed, and just keeps you efficient when you are on the run and ready to go into the field. Now, if you like products like this and other products by Holman, you can find them on our website, upfitsupply.com.